Done, sir.
Okay, sorry. Tangent segment theorem. Uh, a point which is outside the circle. From that point, we are drawing two tangents. That two tangents are congruent. That we have to prove. That is tangent segment theorem. What is given? This and these two are tangent. We have to prove that two tangents are congruent. Now three constructions: CA, CB, CP. Okay. Then these two triangle, among these two triangle, CP, CP is common. CB, CA, it is radii of the same circle. And angle A and angle B each 90 because tangent and radii always perpendicular to each other. So this test is very important. This only test you have to write. Hypotenuse side test. So by uh, the parts of congruent side of congruent triangle, these two are congruent. Like this you can prove. Now page number 55, sum number 2. R M N. This is O. OR is equal to 10. It is given. Circle radii given 5, 5. What is the length of each tangent segment? That we will find. What is the measurement of MRO? MRO, this is X degree. That we have to find. What is the measurement of MRN? MRN, full. First, we will find out MR. In right angle triangle ORM, OM square plus MR square is equal to OR square. So 5 square plus MR square is equal to 10 square. So MR square is equal to 10 square minus 5 square. One time plus, one time minus. A square minus B square. So one time plus, one time minus. So it is 3 into 5 into 5. So MR square root of this is possible. This is not possible. So this we got MR is RM is equal to RN. Now opposite to angle is half of the hypotenuse. You can write OM is equal to half of OR. Therefore, measure angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. 30, 60, 90. Opposite to 30 degree, always it is half of the hypotenuse. Opposite to 60 degree, always it is root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse. And this is 60, this is also 60, this is 30, this is 30, so this is 60. Congruent triangle of congruent angle of congruent triangle, sorry. Therefore, MPN, MRN 30 plus 30. Two tangents are given and we have to prove OR same triangle, same diagram given RM and RN are two tangent segment. To prove that RO is angle bisector of angle and opposite also. Means we have to prove these two are equal, these two are equal, okay? In triangle ORM and triangle ORN, this and this, OM is equal to ON, radii of same circle, MR is equal to NR, tangent segment theorem, OR is equal to OR. Here you can write SSS. Therefore, ORM congruent therefore ROM congruent RON and ORM congruent ORN CACT. If these are congruent, these are congruent, so this is an angle bisector. So RO is angle bisector of from 6 and 7. Prove two triangles are equal. So this CACT, these are CACT. Both angle are equal, so it is a bisector. Both angle are equal, so it is a bisector. So by different tests, by SS, by hypotenuse side test, in a different way, you can prove it is congruent. The distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having the radius of 4.5. Justify your answer. 4.5. It is a radii, and we have to prove. We have to find out the distance between two parallel lines which are tangent and with a reason. For example, this. These are two parallel lines. tangents. Line L and line LM. Line L is tangent to the circle given. Therefore, OA perpendicular to line L. Line M is tangent to the circle, that is also given. This is tangent radii perpendicular. Same OB line M tangent radii perpendicular. Therefore, OA parallel to OB as per second and fourth, but O line is common. Therefore, A dash O dash B from fifth. If two lines are there, one line is perpendicular to this line and one line is perpendicular to this line, then that two lines are said to be parallel. But that two lines are passing from same point, common point. When two parallel lines have one common point, then both are not different but the common line. So now we have to find out distance AB is equal to distance AO plus distance BO. This is 4.5. 4.5, it is equal to 9 centimeter. Like that you can write. Addition of segment. Substitution. Simplify. 4.5 plus 4.5. Now come to the page 64. Circle is given. And equilateral triangle is given. QRS. We have to prove three arcs are congruent. Given triangle PQR QRS. QRS is equilateral triangle. To prove that arc QR, arc RS, arc SQ. Proof. First, triangle QRS is equilateral triangle given. Therefore, code QR is equal to code RS is equal to code SQ. You can say congruent or equal. Side of equilateral triangle. Third, if chord are congruent, respective arcs are congruent. If chords are congruent, respective arcs are also congruent. Second, QRS. And all three are equal. So arc, major arc QR is equal to major arc RS is equal to major arc SR is equal to 360 by 3. Total arcs of circle is 360 is equal to 120. So same. We want R QRS major arc QRS is equal to major arc QR plus major arc RS 120 120 240 degree. Addition of arc, substitution, simplification. Triangle is equilateral. So first side is equal to second side is equal to third side. So arcs are congruent. Full circle is 360. Divide by 3. So all are 120. And we want this arc. So that is 120 plus 120 240. Like that. Next one is very interesting and important. ABCD intersecting two chord. ABCD. Given chord AB congruent to chord CD. To prove that chord arc AC congruent to arc DB. It's very simple. You can see. First, chord AB congruent chord CD given. Chords are congruent, so arcs are congruent, overlapping. Therefore, arcs AB, major arc, you can say major arc AB is equal to major arc CD. Chords congruent, therefore arcs congruent. And now this divide into two parts. AB will divide into two parts, 1 and 2. AC plus CB. This will divide into two parts, CB BD. So CB cancel. So major arc AC, major arc BD. Arcs congruent, so arcs equal, so arcs congruent. Third, addition of arc. CB common. If measure are equal, so it is congruent. Two chords are congruent. So two arcs are congruent. And these are made up of 1 and 2 part. This arc made up of 1 and 2 part. This part is common in both. So cancel. So only this much part will remain. That is equal. For example, this is x, y and z. If this and these are equal, means x plus y is equal to y plus z. So y cancel. So x is equal to z. So we have proved this. Now very important, cyclic quadrilateral. The second very important theorem of this chapter is cyclic quadrilateral. First of all, the definition of cyclic quadrilateral is what? Whose all four vertices, whose the quadrilateral whose all four vertices are on a circle, it is said to be cyclic quadrilateral. What is the main property of cyclic quadrilateral? That if the quadrilateral is cyclic, opposite angle are supplementary of each other. This is a circle. Any quadrilateral you can draw. This is A, B, C, D. Angle this plus angle this is 180. Given quadrilateral A, B, C, D is cyclic. To prove that measure angle A plus measure angle C is equal to 180. Same measure angle B plus measure angle D. Quadrilateral ABCD is given. Now we want this. So measure angle A is equal to half of measure arc. Measure angle A that is inscribed by this BCD. Now I want C. C is half of this. BAD. Inscribe angle theorem. I want this, I got. I want this, I got. Now I want the total. So left side total, right side total. What is the reason? Statement number 2 plus statement number 3. Now take only half common. major arc BCD, major arc BAD. This arc plus this arc, it is 100. Sorry, 360. Sorry, circle. It is circle. Half common. Angular measurement of circle is 360. Half of 360 is 180. Simplify. Half of 360 simplify. Now, total, it is a quadrilateral. So measure angle A plus measure angle C plus measure angle B plus measure angle D. Sum of four angle of quadrilateral is 360. You have to write in full form. Sum of four angle of quadrilateral is 360. But this much we have proved, it is 180. So 180 plus measure angle B plus measure angle D is equal to 360. From 7.
There are only 8 minutes left.
Okay, this is B plus measure angle D is equal to 360 minus 180. Simplify. So 11 measure angle B plus measure angle D is equal to 180. This is also simplified. So this pair and this pair you got. Again, let me explain. B is half of this. C is half of this. So A plus C, that is half of full circle. In full circle is 360. 360 half 180. If sum of 4 is 360, sum of 2 is 180. So automatically rest of 2, also sum of 2, rest of 2, it is also 180. So logically your concept should be clear, then only that the theorem you can prove. Okay. I have written up to this, no? Then I have continued with the 4 angle. You can start again. B is half of this, D is half of this, half the sum, half of the circle. Again, same you can take by instead of A, take B, instead of C, take D. So it will be okay, new pair. So like that also you can write 7 steps. Okay, so here in 4 steps, rest of the part you can complete. Sum of 2 is 180, you have proved. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. Sum of 4 angle of quadrilateral is 360. Substitute. Rest of 2, just jump. It is 360 minus 180. Rest we will continue in part 2. But listen, student, carefully. Uh, uh, Today, with 5-7 minutes, I have spent with the network and all. At present now, screen and voice is clear, no, Hayat? At present,
Yes, sir.
screen is also clear, no? Hello? Screen is clear or blur?
Yes, sir. Yes. It's clear.
So, what I want to instruct that related to the SSC board exam fees and signature and photographs, you complete all the formalities. Your online form filling, I think 2-3 days only remain. And those who are friend or your brother sister from the last year batch who have already passed 10th standard, tell them to collect the certificate as per the schedule. Okay, from 5th or 6th, they will start giving the certificate, passing certificate of SSC board. And January, February, March, and April, 4 months you have. In last 8 months, only few peoples are doing writing practice. I have seen that lots of students are not doing writing practice. They just observe the mobile and attending the live lectures and all. That much is not enough, because scenario now it will be very clear, and they will take writing exam as per the last year's paper pattern. No one paper pattern is changed. It is exactly the same. When you will solve the last year paper, you will get the paper pattern and all. You will get the idea. I will also give you paper to practice. First, let me complete this all assignment. Then we will go to the paper solution. You will get lots of practice paper. So nothing is changed in paper pattern, mark distribution, and all that. Only the reduced syllabus. Okay, that they will tell at the end of, I think, January. So do lots of writing practice. Be fit. Don't eat outside food. Don't roam here and there without any work. Don't go out of home. In 4 months, give your best strength for very good result. Okay, and if you have any doubts regarding maths and science, you can ask me on personal number. You can ask me on group number. Send your question. I will reply whenever I will get the time. But same day, you don't worry. Okay, thank you very much. And from tomorrow, with more strength, with more enthusiasm, we'll start. Thank you. Bye. Close here.